Hi everyone, this is Skye. In this video, I'm going to show how my process controller interacts with the database by inserting data into my add product and add category pages and see the results on the database along with showing that they have valid HTML and CSS. Now here is the local Acme thing. And if I type in products here, I will probably be redirected to it. And I am. And if I go here, I can add a new category. So I'll choose cherry bombs here as the new category name I want to add. If I click add category here, I'll get a message saying success if I succeeded in acquiring the add category to add. If I don't, it's going to be telling me, hey, I would like you to please insert a category name. And if I go check on the local database, go in Acme, and I check categories, oh look, cherry bombs has just got added in. Now, I'm going to go back to the product and show how that works. So it has this new cat list variable that allows the category to just choose what it's going to be. And since I've already practiced this more than once, these are just going to work as the example here. So I'm going to include information about cherry bombs. Oh darn, I submitted it when I wasn't supposed to, which is kind of important because if you miss one thing here, it's going to cause problems. So I'm going to retry this again, and hopefully I'll avoid touching the add product until I've actually, well, added a description for what I want to include into the database. So here I will say a small bomb that has the resemblance of a cherry. The force generated from it is equal to the explosion from an atomic bomb. Well, I filled out this thing, so if this works correctly, and I get great information. Hey, thanks for providing information about cherry bombs. So if I go to the inventory here on the database, and go by the number ID on this, or we'll get to finding said item. And one moment. Oh look, I have cherry bombs, although I've already made this earlier, so I do know that it does work. So I'll delete this. Now I can better check and see if these pages, particularly the product management page and this index, have valid HTML. So with the handy tool here from Web Developer Tools, I can look at HTML and see, is it valid? I have a green box that tells me it's clear, so I will be fine. Now, what if I go here? Will I get the same results? That is a good question. Yep. Turns out the new category thing's cleared. Now, we should probably get on to the new product. And we go look here for the valid HTML. And it's also cleared. I should probably check the CSS. Okay, so I find an error. But the weird thing is, this is basically based off my last CSS file. So if it acts weird, it's kind of normal for it. So I'm gonna go, one moment, get the file here and go put it into the directory input to see if there's actually any problems. I'm gonna have to cross my fingers and hope there isn't. And it says, congratulations, there is no error found. If I do the same thing on my product category and, well, production management page, there's not going to be issues because they all share the same file. And that is all I have